everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. If you're new here, please subscribe, please ring the bell, please support the channel, please leave some comments, please give it likes, thumbs up, whatever. Just help us keep growing. Thank you very much. So, Square, SQ, here's the last time we did analysis. It really didn't move for a bit, but we had 136.53 pausing there, really nice. Earnings coming out, gapping up, running up. We had 159.18 coming just short, 158.41, but in the ballpark. When I see something that close and keep reversing, especially with something like earnings, that's where you start aggressively. You're saying that that's close enough to being hit. I don't know a lot of other people who would have come up with that prediction way back from when it was, we could have predicted that from this key high back on the 20th. So starting on the 21st, that's when that level could have been derived from. So, and then coming back, we had our other projected level, 146.50, and pretty much closing there right now on the 4 hour. Here's the daily. See, there's that gap up, running down, and closing on our level. So, if it's going to keep rallying, and it's overdone at this point, so I'd be very surprised. Nothing's impossible, but I'd be very surprised. So, what are we watching for here? Let's see. If we continue higher, here's the levels: 164.34, 170.24 to 174.19, and then 189.96. With this big gap fill, I'm really watching for a gap fill. So if it does a partial 142.67, it's just because that's that 12.5% retracement that we love to watch for. And then if it does a full gap fill all the way down to the close, 136.83, it's really overextended from the daily rotation zone, so that's why I would not be surprised to at least have a partial gap fill on there. Here's the 4 hour. You can watch that 4 hour rotation zone. That's going to move rapidly, but I'm going to watch as it converges with this 12.5% pullback level. Let's go back to that daily. If it did go lower, we have a significant level about 132.78, and then below that the rotation zone is all the way back to 127 in overbought conditions. So would not be surprised to at least see a partial pullback and a pause or a complete gap fill. That's what we have for you on Square, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.